everyone. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. We are wrapping things up here in Maine with two seafood stars, shrimp and crab. We are making an easy shrimp and crab stuffed biscuit. I had something like this for a brunch in a small little cafe and I've never forgotten it. It was such an unexpected treat, so I recreated it. It's really quite simple to make. You get to use things right out of your cupboard, things that maybe you already have on hand. So, have you got all your things ready to go? I have mine, and like I always say, let's get cooking. So we are here at the counter. I have my crab meat all chopped up. My shrimp is cooked and cooled. I have my fresh mozzarella. I have my thyme all chopped from my garden, my ricotta cheese and some salt and pepper, and of course my biscuits. This is my tin. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start in on these right away. First thing, we're going to mix up our filling. We have our filling is ready, and the next thing we're going to do is we are going to spray our muffin tin with a non-stick spray. Now, the assembly part is pretty simple. We're going to take a biscuit, like that. All we're gonna do is put it in the muffin tin like that. And we're gonna do that all 10. Right, then we're going to take our shrimp. So I have enough shrimp to put a few in each one. So I'm going to kind of stick them in like so. Two shrimp per cup, and these are ready for the oven. So these will go into the oven at 480 degrees for about 15 minutes, and they'll be nice and golden brown on the top. So I'll see you here when the biscuits are ready. So our shrimp and crab biscuits, stuffed biscuits, are out of the oven, and they turned out really, really lovely. Here is one all ready to eat. It has a little bit of a 4-cheese Alfredo sauce drizzled on the top. Right now, I would take a bite. It smells amazing, but it's super hot. All that cheese. So we're gonna let it cool for a little bit. Meanwhile, I want to thank you for joining me this Sunday afternoon here on The Happiest Cook. It's been totally fun being in Maine and doing all of the wonderful Maine kind of cooking. Seafood is right up my alley. So until next week, thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate that. And like I always say, Let's get cooking and keep on cooking.